Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover a path environment variables on your Windows computer. So if you just want to go ahead and see where these paths are, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So pretty straightforward process here guys, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in Windows PowerShell. Best match to come back on Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy that and then go up the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste to paste it in. And here you go guys, you can see each path for a corresponding environment variable. So pretty straightforward process here guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.